What's going on, everyone? These are the Dirt Tricks brake rotors. Now this is going to be perfect if you're looking to replace your rotors either out of necessity or out of looking for a performance edge. These are going to be great because you're going to get more strength, more stopping power, and great looks. Now, bent and worn rotors are the worst. If you've got a bent rotor, that thing's going to be locking up at any given time or altogether making your wheel not spin. And that ends the throttle therapy session. Now, Dirt Tricks as a company, they have been making some of the longest lasting sprockets in the game for a long time. They make their stuff in the USA, and you can tell that they take pride in their work as you look over their products. Now, when it comes to these rotors, it's more of the same. When it comes to construction, they use the same exact chromoly steel that they use for their sprockets on their rotors. These things are heat treated, so they are going to be way strong, especially when compared to your stock rotors, and they're going to last a long time. In fact, Dirt Tricks puts a 1-year wear warranty on these rotors. They say if you wear it out in the first year, they'll replace it for free. These things are bulletproof. Now, the next thing that you're going to notice when you're looking at the construction of these rotors is the black color. This is a black zinc coating, and it's going to help you in two different ways. The first thing is in rust prevention. It's going to make these rotors last a long time and look great the whole time. But then the next thing that it's going to help with is this black finish is actually going to rub away when you're first seating in these brakes. And that zinc coating is going to help give you a little bit more friction and help these and your pads seat together properly to give you maximum stopping power. Now, when it comes to the metal that they used, one big thing that they talked about was the heat treating process ups performance and durability big time. And when it comes to performance, we're talking about a 15% increase in stopping power just from rotors. We're not even talking about changing rotor size here. Now, on top of that 15% increase in stopping power, Dirt Tricks says that the tensile strength of these to help you in that durability is 2 to 3 times stronger than your OEM rotors. This thing is going to resist bending like crazy. That's awesome. These are exactly what you want. If you're looking for the best in braking performance and durability, you've got to check out these Dirt Tricks rotors. Jump on the link below to get yours. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.